Hello and welcome back. Alright guys, let's go over how we are going to set up our Python environment. In a nutshell, we are going to install two instances of Python and then set them up in such a way that they do not clash with each other. We will start off by installing the system-wide Python installation and then followed by a separate Python installation. So what do I mean by a system-wide installation? The idea behind a system-wide installation is to make Python available for your entire computer system to make it accessible to a multitude of applications that require Python as a dependency. You need to treat the system-wide installation with kid's gloves. If you mess up the installation somehow through your experimentation, and then you can potentially affect a myriad of applications. The other function is to treat the system-wide installation as a production environment where you are going to deploy your fully developed and tested Python applications. Now, this installation will be installed in its own folder, which will be referred to as main. But to make it system-wide, we have to ensure that the path to the main Python installation is reflected within the path environment variable. Now, it doesn't matter which operating system that you use, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, the operating system looks at the path variable to find the right installation of the Python interpreter. So when you run a Python application, the first thing the operating system does is to find the path to the Python interpreter by looking at the path variable. Alright, so the next installation that we are going to do is Anaconda. Anaconda packages a Python interpreter together with a huge set of Python libraries for data analysis, data science, and machine learning. We are going to use this specific installation as our development environment. This is the Python installation that will be built for our experimentation. And if we mess things up here, at least it will be separated from our other main installation because it will be stored in a separate folder. Furthermore, the path to Anaconda's Python interpreter will not be part of the path environment variable. Instead, we will access this version of the Python interpreter through the Anaconda interface. Alright, enough talk. Let's install Python.